To information what they circulate for inside social media right now, they say one of the Ebubeagu boss, one of the leader for inside Ebubeagu, they say that the people will identify themselves as unknown gunmen don't capture all these men. As it stand right now, they no grill. They say he must talk with you one use gentle head to do. My people will go play you the video. Another information where they for our table now be one of the blogger wey come from Benin, where they always talk things concerning Mazin and the Carlo and things where they happen for inside Nigeria. As we stand right now, they say that the Nigeria police don't arrest them for many things wey you don't talk on social media. My people, you don't read though, this one are taking your freedom from you, freedom of speech from you totally. However, we go bring the videos, come show and wanna know how it they happen before we come back and continue. As we start right now, we go bring the video of the Benin blogger where they arrest for inside Nigeria. Come show you before we jump to another update. Stay tuned.
Destiny, how old are you? 30. Which town are you from? Which town? One day local government of Edo State. Yes. Since when have you started creating content? Last 2 years. Yes. How much have you made so far from all this?
I'm not starting making money.
On TikTok or Facebook?
I'm not making money. I just create and
So what is your mission by creating this content and spreading falsehood without verifying? Because we have seen the content you have made. For instance, you said the Deputy Commissioner of Police was giving arms to bandits. And you deliberately released this video after the Nigerian Police Force officially made a statement to debunk it. What is your rationale? What's the rationale behind it and what's your mission?
at first, I don't really know, especially this particular one. I don't know that it was an old news.
But you're on social media?
Yes, I didn't know.
You've been on social media for the past two years. No, this is not the first time police will be debunking this particular case.
I'm not just there full time. At times I do it. At times, sometimes.
So you don't monitor social media, but you live far from social media.
Yes, I don't. Honestly, I didn't know that this particular one, it was a fake. I just saw it.
Okay. You analyze the budget for the office of the vice president and the president. That they said you are spending 9-point-something billion for refreshment. Have you seen the proposed budget yourself?
I have not seen it.
Have you done the analysis of the budget allocation?
No, sir.
So why did you come on here to say they said according to information? Have you verified the information? What is the source of the information? Then you came online to do analysis and attacking this proposal.
It was from a Nigerian news blog. I saw the.
Did you verify?
No, sir.
They said they should put nail for Mr. President.
The president went to Enugu. Destiny.
Yes, sir.
The president went to Enugu. You abused the leaders in Enugu for receiving the president. That somebody, they should put nails on the chair for so that the president can die. If you want to call attention of the government to incidences and things you are not comfortable with, is it to call for the death of Mr. President?
No, I didn't call for the death.
So if somebody sits on nails, what's the meaning? Let's assume it's a dramatic expression. What's the meaning for somebody to sit on the nail?
I was not referring to President Tinubu.
Who's president of Ghana?
No, I was just making my church content.
Can they play it so that I can see it?
Yes, I was the one that did it. I know the video, sir.
So who are you
What type
referring
of
to?
names were you referring to?
No, who are you referring to that visited Enugu State? Who are you? If it's not Mr. President, then who?
Enugu is just a time in my church.
In your church?
No, in my community side.
Enugu?
Yes.
In your community side?
Nnamdi Kanu is that.
But you put a picture of the governor of Enugu State and also
Nnamdi Kanu and the president.
And Nnamdi Kanu. Who are you now referring to? Is it Nnamdi Kanu? Is it Mr. President? Is it governor?
I just did the video.
You are not making
What
sense.
motivated your video? That particular one. Who asked you to? Who asked you to say that?
Nobody asked me.
Nobody asked you.
You are saying you are
I
not
just
referring
saw it
to.
online. I did it.
You saw it online. From where? Can you quote your source?
Then you have said again that.
Twitter.
Twitter, yes.
Okay, can you tell us again why you have decided to do the video to tell that the IGP has directed that they should be arresting everybody who criticizes the government? Have you done that? Why did you do the video? Because I saw you displayed my tweets in your video.
Yes, sir.
I made a tweet that to rain curses on somebody is a criminal offense. To rain curses on somebody is different from criticizing me or calling my attention to something wrong. If you say, Jobi, your policemen are collecting money, so please, oh, you guys should go and arrest them. We don't want nonsense. We want better police criticism. But not that Jobi, because your policemen are collecting money on your time, your child should die. Your children should die. Everything you have should destroy. It's not criticism. So you did the cuts of the tweets, you now pasted it, and you are saying the IGP has given instructions in order to policemen that every person criticizing the government be arrested. Did IG say so?
No.
So why did you do the video?
I didn't, honestly.
What's the meaning of honesty? Do you know the meaning of honesty?
Explain yourself.
I just thought that it was the IG.
You thought?
Yes, I just thought
You
it
thought?
was
Why
the IG.
sleeping or why am I?
Even if I've spoken on behalf of the IG, was that what I tweeted? No. You get what I'm saying? If you are saying, okay,
What's your intention behind
Destiny, let's assume.
What's your intention?
Wait, excuse me. Let's assume I have made a statement on behalf of the IG. I speak for the IG. I speak for the police. I've made a statement. What you did, was it in consonance with the statement I made?
I just read my own.
Are you a journalist?
No, I'm a content creator.
So what is your intention? Your content creator. What has been your drive? What has been your drive in this content creator?
I just need to put a governance. At least.
You what?
A bit better a government. Better to best as they come.
Yeah, but if you want to criticize the government, you have your point, you analyze your point, you engage the government, you can engage in deliberation. I know the government may even call you to say, okay, we are not aware of this, let us discuss. But it's not to deliberately create falsehood in form of a content. And you'll be sharing all your platforms. You have more than 5 or 10 handles. Even on Facebook alone, you have almost, how many pages? 5 pages on Facebook alone.
What's your name on? What's your name? No. What's your name?
What's the social media name you use? Your handle? On Twitter. What do you use on Twitter?
I don't have Twitter.
What of Instagram?
I don't have Instagram.
TikTok.
TikTok and Facebook.
TikTok and Facebook. So what's the name you use? Your ID?
It's like Lion's Head.
Lion's Head.
Yes.
Okay.
What of YouTube?
I don't have YouTube.
No, Lion's Head is in Lion's house. So, gentlemen of the press,
So what? Do you regret your actions?
Yes.
what have you learned from this thing now?
Do you regret your actions?
Yes.
I regretted posting the deputy because I thought that news was just recent. I never knew.
Because you don't fast check.
What advice will you give other content creators?
For no one, before we can post anything, let's please try and verify things.
Can you tell us how dangerous spreading of fake news can be?
Spreading of fake news can even destroy a nation. Honestly, I don't know if I have known that thing didn't happen. I don't post such a thing. I've never done anything in my life since I was born till now.
Looking at
So
the
I
figure,
will have not posted
looking at the strength
anything
you
like
put
that.
into that video made now, and you are saying you are not aware of.
I was not aware. I was not aware that
But
video.
those contents were not made in one day.
And you kept on posting different videos.
They were
So
not made
you
in
must
one
have
day.
an intention. What's
You
the
have a
drive
studio?
that pushed you to do it?
Who is your graphics artist?
And like I said, that's all right. Like I said, gentlemen, people like this, with our findings so far, I want to believe he has affiliation with some groups in Nigeria. Don't let me be judgmental by now. Our investigation will reveal, but we are tilting our investigation towards not just creating content the way you see. Many of them are being used by certain groups to run down the government. So this particular destiny, we have traces. And we have strong conviction that is working for some groups. But by the time we finish our investigation, we are still coming back again to address the media to tell you what we have found out about him. At the surface, you see them as innocent Nigerians who are just catching cruise on social media or creating content to make ends meet. But sincerely, many of them are dangerous indeed. And we are out for them now. The instruction is that we go after those who are deliberately creating these contents and spreading false news to run down our system. We will not allow such a thing to happen. We will not allow. So anybody want to criticize should do that. You want to comment on governance, on policies of government, let us do it responsibly. Not to always come out and be raining curses and be spreading falsehood, creating content to spread falsehood as if we don't have a law in this country.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. So as you can see, this year they have arrested 2 bloggers from Nigeria. 2 bloggers. One is from Lagos. This one now is from Benin, who spoke against Tinubu, and also this particular guy here purposely make the video condemning. They say he's making a video that is not verified the information before posting it. So let me bring you the video of the leader of the Ebubeagu that was captured by UGM. Watch the video.
Isi janto ishokorani. Efu kango no kebe zo ko believe na ndị plan o janto for Nigeria no de ka we mebi ala Igbo. Because of isi no edere. Diko tun si we na ekwesem. Egburu Humphrey na ndị ọzọ na nwere ya mo na enwo m. Isi janto isi no edere. Ya ka iji ya me. Afọ isi ala ka iji isi janto ga ya. Ejina mi isi abịa. Brother dị ebe fọ. Enwere ka si we pụrụ ma hụ. Ejina isi abịa here. Abụ na ejim isi anụ ka mma befon ọ na-anụ ya onye ogbe iwe fọdatara ma abụ datara mụ agba.
Okay, my wonderful people, now so now we say bring a caution, na bemo na drop na own opinion and share the video.